morning everyone. Today Ainida Khan of class 12th A is going to present my views on the topic total internal reflection. The phenomena which occurs when the light rays travel from a more optically denser medium to a less optically denser medium is called total internal reflection. As we can see in the following diagram, a ray of light passes from a medium of water to that of air. Light ray will be refracted at the junction separating the two media. Since it passes from a medium of higher refractive index to that having a lower refractive index, the refracted ray bends away from the normal. At a specific angle of incidence, the incident ray of light is reflected in such a way that it passes along the surface of water. This particular angle of incidence is called the critical angle. Here, the angle of refraction is 90 degrees. When the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, the incident ray is reflected back to the medium, and this phenomena is termed as total internal reflection. Now, the formula for total internal reflection is N1 by N2 equals to sin R upon sin I. Here, N1 is the refractive index in medium 1 and N2 is the refractive index in medium 2. R is the angle of refraction and I is the angle of incidence. Following are the two conditions of total internal reflection. First, the light ray moves from a more dense medium to less dense medium, and second, the angle of incidence must be greater than the critical angle. Now, there are some applications of total internal reflection. First is mirage. It is an optical illusion which is responsible for the appearance of the water layer at short distances in a desert or on the road. Mirage is an example of total internal reflection which occurs due to atmospheric refraction. Second is diamond. When the incident ray falls on every face of the diamond such that the angle formed, the ray is greater than the critical angle. The critical value of the diamond is 23 degrees. This condition is responsible for the total internal reflection in diamond, which makes it shine. Third is prism. Prism is designed to bend light by 90 degrees or by 180 degrees, make use of total internal reflection. Such a prism is also used to invert images without changing their size. And the last one is optical fibers. When the incident ray falls on the cladding, it suffers total internal reflection as the angle formed by the ray is greater than the critical angle. Optical fibers have revolutionized the speed with which signals are transferred not only across cities but across countries and continents, making telecommunication one of the fastest modes of information transfer. Optical fibers are also used in endoscopy. Thank you.